Good morning, dear students. Our lesson today is measuring weight. Let's remember together what is the meaning of measuring weight. Measuring weight means to measure how heavy something is. And we took at the first term some of units of measuring weight, which are the kilogram and gram. So here this year we will take that 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. For example, if I have 2 kilograms, they are equal to 1000 grams. How can I get my answer? I will make 2 multiply 1000 equal to 1000 grams. Now let's solve more exercises. Here I need to complete 3 kilograms equal how many grams? I will make 3 multiply 1000. It will give me 3000 grams. The next one, 5 kilogram equal 5 times 1000 equal 5000 gram. The last one, 12 kilogram equal 12 multiply 1000 equal 12,000 gram. Here I will switch the question and I will give you the grams and I will ask you it contains how many kilograms. So let's make the first one. 5000 gram equal how many kilogram? It contains only 5 kilogram. 5 kilogram. Here because if we make 5000 divided 1000 it will give me 5 kilogram. The next one, 7000 gram equal how many kilogram? It contains only 7 kilogram. Let's move to the next question. Here, if I give you 4876 grams, it contains how many kilograms and how many grams? It contains 4 kilograms and 876. We will put the 1000 digit in the kilogram as the 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram, and then the rest of the amount, which is 100 tens and units together, we will put it beside the gram. So it will be 4 kilogram and 876 gram. Let's solve the next one. 9384 grams. We will put 1000 in the kilogram, which is 9 kilogram, and the rest 100 tens ones or units in the gram, which are 384 grams. And the rest will be the same steps. Now let's move to another lesson which is called measuring time. Of course, all of us know that time, and today we will take a new information. First, we will take the day, hour, and minutes. First, we have to know that one day equal or the one day contains 24 hours. So again, one day equal 24 hours. 1 times 24 give me 24 hours. Let's solve more exercises. If I have 5 days, it contains how many hours? I will make 5 multiplied by 24 equal 120 hours. The next one, 7 days equal how many hours? I will make 7 times 24. It will give me 168 hours. So the 7 days contains 168 hours. The last question, 10 days equal how many hours? I will make 10 multiplied by the number of hours for only one day, which is 24. It will give me 240 hours. Now let's take another information. We have to know well that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So again, 1 hour contains how many minutes? Contains 60 minutes. 1 times 60 equals 60 minutes. Let's solve exercises. A, if I have 2 hours, they contains how many minutes? I will make 2 multiply 60. It will give me 120 minutes. 5 hours equal how many minutes? 5 times 60 equals 300 minutes. And the last question, 8 hours equal 8 times 60 equal 480 minutes. So again, we must know well that 1 day equal 24 hours and the 1 hour contains 60 minutes. Now let's move to the second information for today, which are week, month, and year. Week, month, and year. Here we have to know that 1 year equal 12 months. 1 year equal 12 months. So if I have 4 years, I will make 4 times 12. It will give me 48 months. Then 2 years, 2 times 12 equal 24 months. Then the last exercise, 7 years contains how many months? I will make 7 times 12 equal 84 months. So here at the end, I must know well that 1 year contains 12 months. So if I give you any number of the years, you will take this number and multiply it by 12, which is the number of months for only 1 year. You will get then the answer you want to know. Now, after we know that 1 year equal 12 months, let's move to know another something, which is 1 week equals 7 days. 1 times 7 equals 7 days. If I give you 4 weeks, they contains how many days? I will make 4 multiply 7, give me 28. So another exercise, if I give you 5 weeks, how many days? I will take 5 multiply 7 equals 35 days. The last exercise, if I have 9 weeks, they contains how many days? I know that 1 week equals 7. So 9, I will multiply it by 7. Then I will get 63 days, which is my answer. So again, let's remember. 1 week equals 7 days. 1 week equals 7 days. 1 year equals 12 months. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And the last thing, 1 day equals 24 hours. Now let's learn how to tell the time. Here we have the clock, and here we have to identify some important notes about the clock. Here I have the short hand, which is the hours hand, and the long hand is the minutes hand. Here I will stand on number 12 and I will cut the clock into 2 equal parts till I reach number 6. So I have a half and another half. The right half I will call it past, and the left part I will call it 2. And then I will start write the minutes. Here, if I stand on 12, if the minutes hand stand on 12, and then it moves till it reach 1, this means that the long hand, which is the minutes hand, move 5 minutes. So I will write 5 minutes in front of 1. And then 2 means 10 minutes. 3 means 15 minutes, which is quarter. Then 4, I will write in front of it 20 minutes. 5, 25. 6, 30 minutes. And then I will move to the next or the left part. I will start from 11. I will write 5. Then 10 in front of 10. 15 in front of 9. 20 in front of 8. 25 in front of 7. And then 6 we already make it, which is 30 minutes. Then let's start reading the time. Here I will start reading the minutes, and then I will see it lies in which part. Is it past or 2? And then I will read the clock. Let's start the first one. Here the long hand, which is the minutes hand, stand on 5, which means how many minutes? It means 25 minutes. Past or 2? Past. So now 25 minutes past 11. Past 11. Here the clock is 11 because the short hand stands on 11. Let's move to the next one. I will read first the minutes, then past or 2, and then the clock. Here 10 minutes past 8. 10 minutes past 8. Let's move to the last exercise. Here 25 minutes to 3. 25 to 3. Now it's time to take the calendar. As we know, we took last year 2 types of calendar, the AD calendar and the Hijra calendar. This year we will take the AD calendar, which contains 12 months, which are January, February, March, and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. So here the AD calendar contains 12 months. Okay, I will just ask you to complete. What is the month? Just after or just before? I will ask you here, the month before June is, before June, May. Then the next question, the month after March is April. Then the month before January. What's before January? December. Another exercises complete. Letter A, the month after April is May. B, the month before October is, what's before October? September. C, the month after December is January. D, the month between June and August. What's after June? July. It lies between June and August. The last question, the month before January is December. So here we have to know well that we have 12 months inside or in the AD calendar, and we have to save them well because the question will be what's the month after or what is the month before, and list the 12 months.